Yes, we are taking a look at the new Stage Series light bars by Diode Dynamics. So this box, I got it 2 weeks ago. I haven't opened it. So let's just open it. Let's fix our camera angle so you can see it too. Ha! All right, so I'm doing something different today. I got one camera there, one camera over there. Let's open this thing. All right, so as you can see, packaging is white. If you have old Diode Dynamics products, you see their packaging is black, like that box right there. So now it's white. I kind of like it. Again, this is my first time seeing it in person. Not really in person. I was at SEMA 2024, but the light bar that I own. Damn, this box is even hard to fold. There it is. So while we're opening this and taking a look inside, let's talk about it. So this is their new Stage Series. So their old one is called Stage Series Classic. Wait, no, I think it's just called Classic now. Me personally, I like this better than the Classic one. Oh yes. All right, before we move forward, stickers. Let's put the box aside. So we got the pigtails right here. The Deutsch connector. Oh man, that's really thick. 10 gauge. And we got some hardware. So they actually revamped this from the ground up. So the classic ones, the sizes is kind of weird. The sizes are 6, 18, 30, and 42. Now it's increments of 10. So they got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I got right here is the 30. Why did I get the 30? So I'm planning to put this behind the grill of the 4Runner. Not the top part, but the bottom part. Open it up. Yeah, this is hefty. Whoa. I don't even want to put it in the table. Whoa. So, as you can see, the back has the fins. So this fins, we all see it in their other off-road lights. SSC2s, SSC1s, SS3s, SS5s. So the classic one doesn't have this fins. So this is already better in heat dissipation. So mounting on the side, oh, it has two mounts on the side. 1 and 2. On the other side too. Yeah. This has a good weight to it. So this one is the Pro 30-inch. So the classic one, they only have one type of power level. This one, they have the Sport, Pro, and Max. So right now, as you can see, I have the white one. I have the white lens right here. I don't even remember. Oh, I think this is the combo. And I want to swap the lens. So the swapping lenses, let me get my lens real quick. Of course, I went with a amber. So as you can see, I only have 2 in here because I want to put those 2 on both of the sides. So if you haven't seen the features of the Stage Series, of this Stage Series light bars, so it has that mechanism that you can turn on just the sides, middle, and all of them. So it's pretty cool. So in the Classic, if you're swapping lenses, the bolts are in front. So right now it's like all of their other off-road pods that you need to remove the bolts in the back. So I kind of like it because you don't see the bolts in the front. I think it's cleaner compared to the Classic. But again, Classic was bright, really bright. This one is a 2.0. Should we swap the lenses? Should we? I think we should. All right, I got my gloves on. So, correction. So I got some combo yellow beams, because Amber Gang. And then this one in the middle is driving. So driving and combo is not the same. So let's swap it out. So swapping it, pretty easy. You gotta torque a bit. We'll take out the silver screws only. I think. So for the Classic, you can interchange white and yellow. They don't have lens covers. For the Stage Series, they do have covers. So they have clear, yellow, amber, smoked, and an actual cover, which is black, that has the Diode logo. Take this piece out. Let's get our lens ready. Ooh, I don't even want to touch it as much. So inside, there would be a switch. Where would that switch? I forgot where that switch. So right there. So if you're gonna switch your lenses to yellow, I'm going to switch that to yellow. Then there's a gasket here. It did move a little bit because of the shipping, but I want to make sure that it is in that pocket. Then you would see tabs on the lenses. You would see it should be, there's like a hole that would match. So you see that? There's going to be a hole inside for it. All right. One down. One to go. There she is. So again, we'll be installing this behind the grill on the 4Runner, but we'll not do that right now. I just want to take a look at it, change the lenses, and admire it on what it is. Stay tuned for that install, and we'll take a look at the features. If this video has given you some sort of value, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Paalam.